Hello and welcome to MN Digital Marketing channel. My name is Muhammad Nasir, and I welcome you all again in my channel. Today's topic is about how to set up Facebook page. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel for further videos and press bell icon also. Today's topic is very important because it's a Facebook marketing, and Facebook marketing is very important for all of the business. It's ideas for new business or for business who can set up an online setup. It's a very important topic. Please watch till end, and I will teach you the most important tips and most important tools which you can adopt in your pages, and you can set up your page very accurately. So before setup, I will show the criteria and show the points which I can teach you today. First of all, how to create page, and second one is complete about section. About section is very important because it gives the detail to the customer what is your business about. So it's very important to learn the about section and to give all the things, it's a main thing, it's a main content which can attract your customers to yourself. The third one is page roles. Page roles is also very important. If you want to sell your page, you have an idea to see the page roles in which you can see that there is an admin role, there is a moderator role, there is a editor role. So it's very important also. Fourth one is how to post anything. Facebook marketing is just about posting everything. So it's a main tool also, it's a main thing also to post online, like videos, like any post you can create. So it's also very important. Post job offer, it's a very important also. So how to add a button on your page, it's also very important. So without wasting any time, let's move to the Facebook account. Let's create a page. So you can see that the bar and right in the middle is written create. You have to click on create, then you have to click on page. If you click on the page, you will see that there is internet problem little bit, sorry for that. Okay, here we go. If you click on the create a page, you will see that there are two columns, like a business or brand or community or figure. So if you want your brand to be promoted, if you want a public figure, as you know that the heroes and the any actors like to promote your public figure, you like to promote a community figure, so they will start from there. And if you want to grow your business, online, you have to start from business or brand. So let's start from business or brand. Get started. If you have any page, I can say that any fast food page, so any name, burger hub, category is fast food. Look, fast food restaurant is there, so you have to anything you want to put it, country, Pakistan, or wherever you live, you have to put it, and phone number, something, anything like that. Okay, just change my number. Burger Hub. It's optional. Don't show my address, only show the city or town. You can also click on that option also. So if you don't want to click this, you have to click on continue. Please cut the highlight field. Show that this suggestion is Burger Hub. It is should be on little letters. I will rectify my problem. After clicking on continue, just wait for a second and you will see that your page is going to be created, and just skip that option, add a profile picture, and you will see that add a cover photo, skip that also. So you are on the page. Okay, so lastly, first option is clear, create a page. Second option is complete about section. About section is very important. See that home page, you see about section. Here we are about section. It's a category of fast food restaurant. Name is Burger Hub. Username is you have to create username from your own, and username should be very clear because you cannot change your username again and again. So it should be very clear. Business information, edit your business details, edit start date. If you want to write down this name to your customers, you have to specify that. Founded, started, open, create, launch, year, how from where you are started, what date, with what year. So additional contact details also, you have to put your email address, you have to put your website if you have to link your other accounts also. About edit about, you have to write description also. You have to write complete description, impression, and menu. You have to write. You have to add some pictures of your menu because it's a fast food restaurant. You have to write. You have to add some content. You have to add some pictures of your restaurant, of your food. So it's very clear. Should be very clear. So about section, I hope so you will understand my talk, and let's move to another topic, is page roles. The page role is very important because if you want to sell your page, if you want anyone to run your page, so it's very important also. Go to your settings of your page, click on settings, and after clicking on your settings, it's in the middle, right in front of you, it's page roles. You can see that if you click on the page role, you will see that page roles identifier like that. I am the admin of the page, and if you want anyone who you want to admin your page, like if I have tagged one of my friend, pass it. So if I want to add one of my friend, so it shows the options of editor, admin, moderator, advertiser, analyst. So if you add and assign the page new role, you have to enter your password and submit it, and it will be added on your page. So it's also very important for you to add someone to your page, to update your profile, to run your profile, to run your page. So it's very important also if you want to sell your page, because nowadays Facebook selling page is also very good. I will show in the next video also how much price you can sell a Facebook page. So in the next video you have to subscribe my channel. I will show you, I will teach you how to sell your pages by no investment. So another thing is that how to post anything, how to post a video. So because Facebook marketing is very important, and post on the videos and post on your page is very important also to market them. So coming back to the page, click on the page button. After clicking on your page button, you will see the complete page, which I created before. Okay, so if you go down, you will see the write a post. You write the post here. Okay, you will write, you will upload your picture, you will upload a picture, you add products, you will get messages, play with friends, activities, anything. You have to write, you want to add picture, you want to add video, you want to tag something. So anything would be done here. Okay, you can also go live from here, create a live or create an event, create an offer. So if I click on offer, if you have a restaurant like Burger Hub, as I mentioned it, you want to give 20% discount on your product. So you can write your description here that on chicken burger it's a 20% off, on sandwiches it's a 20% off. So you can market all of this information on offers. So you have to create an offers, discounted or deals. You can write this in here, and also you can write expiry date here. You can people redeem this online or in stores. You can change picture, you can edit pictures. So you also can add items, add offers and services you are providing to your customers. So there are a lot of things you can do here. Okay, after that, back to my topic, Facebook marketing, and my last topic is that how to add button on your page. So it's very simple. You can go to your page, click on add button. Add button, you can see that if I add button, you can see the step 1, which button do you want people to see. So here, which button you want your customer to see. So make a booking with you. If you have a travel agency, if you have hotels, you can click on button like book now, and that's all. If you have any services platform, you can add button, contact us, message us, call now, sign up, send email, WhatsApp. So there are a lot of buttons. In this niche, I will recommend that you will write contact us, or you can also add send message. If you click on send a message, you will straight away go to the messenger. So if you click on messenger and then finish, the button will be on your screen like send message. So you can test this button also. So this is all about from my side today. Hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you how to create page about giving services in ad page Facebook, and how to create page in Facebook in stream ads. So after that I will teach you further how to create ads on Facebook. So please subscribe to my channel. I will coming back to you soon. Take care.